We're coming down to this super important macro trend line. If we do zoom out, you can basically see this has been in place since 2018.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. This video we're going to be diving into USDT Tether dominance and why it affects the Tonic and Crow chart so much. It also affects, obviously, the top dog, which then trickles down to lower cap altcoins like a Tonic and, you know, more bigger cap altcoins like a Cronos, a Crow, right? We're gonna dive deep into that in this video, guys. You could see Tonic is making a bit of a little move up, you know, a little percentage upwards on the daily. We're going a little bit upwards, trending sideways overall though. But we're gonna dive deep into it as we always do, guys. If you're interested in this, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers on the channel, and also become a channel member, guys. Please support and, you know, become a channel member so, you know, you can get shouted out in my future videos and also help the channel, right? If we take a look at Tonic, we see that we have 30,715 people on the watch list, almost 31,000. That benchmark is growing because when you see 50,000 on the watch list and more, it's going to be absolutely insane for Tonic. We got $22.9 million in market cap. Trade volume is down a bit, 95k. But this is what happens when trade volume drops so much and there's super low trade volume. You could always more than likely expect a move because, you know, the chart right now is in an accumulation phase, sideways accumulation. You can see on the 1 month on CoinMarketCap, we had this move up, and now we got this sideways slingshot accumulation phase for potentially another move up in Tonic. We'll see what happens. Today is Sunday, so the market should open tomorrow. I don't think there's any holidays, so the market should open tomorrow, and we'll see which direction the stock market goes, and that will decide, you know, where the crypto markets move, right? So as we can see from Crow as well, Crow $2 billion in market cap, up 8.4%. guys, that is absolutely crazy. Because just like with Tonic, we're making a nice, I think we're anticipating for the stock market to open green, so that's when we're gonna see the full move happen, you know, on the 1 month. Crow as well in this sideways accumulation after obviously a move to the upside on the 3 month from December. Majority of altcoins, because I've researched so many altcoins, guys, because I do trade as well, you know, spot trading, not any leverage, but spot trading. I buy on an exchange, wait for the chart pattern to play out, then I take my profits, right? So on the 3 month, we could see most alts had a move from December, right? And Crow was one of these, was one of them as well, Tonic as well, right? And now we're in a sideways accumulation, building the slingshot again, pulling back on the slingshot, waiting for a move to the upside, right? Waiting for the slingshot to let go of the slingshot, and then we could see a move to the upside. It's just a matter of time for it to happen. Crow, powerhouse in the crypto space, guys. This is one of the altcoins you need to have. And Tonic, more low cap play, but more potential room to grow. Almost 23, just under $23 million in market cap, so there's so much room to grow, right? Right here we have from Crypto FM, USDT Tether dominance is on a monthly rising wedge. Now, if you know about rising wedges in crypto, when we're in a rising wedge, then you will see a fall to the downside. When this breaks, alt season is imminent. Alt season is imminent in 2023. Alt season meaning altcoins, Tonic, Crow, VVS. These projects will absolutely go insane, okay? USDT dominance is a good way to check to see where the market is heading, because Bitcoin and the crypto markets are inversely correlated to USDT Tether dominance. When that falls, when Tether dominance falls, expect crypto, Bitcoin, altcoins to absolutely start going crazy. So I just had to show you guys the significance of Tether dominance, because these are the things that most people don't know or look out for, right? From Mikey Bull Crypto, just looked at the 22 PA for USDT dominance chart and found something interesting. Death cross has been spotted and price has failed to make a high. Now, we recently had a death cross in Bitcoin, and that's why we had that retrace, okay? And that's why you saw the red days in the market recently. Now we're having a death cross for Tether dominance, and guess what's gonna happen? It moves to the downside, alts go crazy, Tonic and Crow go crazy, right? It's right there for you guys to see. From Super, Bitcoin Bro, combined stablecoin dominance. This is all the stablecoins market cap, just like how we have the total 2 market cap with all the altcoins. Still technically holding the support since it hasn't closed below it, but hanging on by a thread with lower levels below the 5 EMA. Even when this breaks down, our BTC bags make another leg up. BTC bags, now most people obviously, like I said, cover BTC with their charting, but when Bitcoin is bullish and making move to the upside, altcoins follow as well. And that's why I had to show you Crypto FM saying alt season is imminent in 2023. In 2023, no less. Okay? When this breaks down, we'll see moves in obviously the lead market move for Bitcoin, but altcoins, Tonic, Crow, that's when you're gonna see them start to make moves up again when the Tether dominance goes down. Tether dominance, obviously referring to, let me go to CoinMarketCap. Tether right here, number 3 project, $70 billion in Tether right now. The more and more, as time progresses, as people see we're getting more and more bullish, you'll see people switch from holding their assets in stable coins, Tether, USDC, BUSD. They'll switch from that and then start switching the risk on assets, right? Probably see a lot of money flow into Bitcoin, then you'll see a lot of money flow into the top altcoins, right? And then it'll trickle all the way down. Obviously, Crow is a top altcoin, so it's gonna get to Crow, one of the first movers, and then you're gonna see Tonic. You're gonna see Tonic start to follow Crow when it's making that move up, right? Look at the charts, guys. You could go on CoinMarketCap right now. Go to Tonic's chart, go to Cronos, compare it to Cronos, literally the exact same chart. You go to Cronos' chart, you compare it to Bitcoin on the 1 month, look at it, the same chart. It's Bitcoin ready to make a move, Crow is ready to make a move. The only difference is there's moments in time when we start to decorrelate from the markets. It could be if something bad happens in the project, it could be if something good happens in the project. So, like for example, some type of catalyst, right? We're gonna cover a catalyst that could be taking place for Crow in the next video, right? But when catalysts happen, that's when you see projects show strength against Bitcoin or the broader market, and they start making moves to the upside without Bitcoin, having to move up, right? And you could see that for Tonic as well, as long as the team keep doing what they're doing recently with all these updates, right? You could see catalysts like that happen for projects like Tonic and Crow. Now we have a video right here, just a quick video right here, guys, just to show you. This is from a TA person called Cowboy Trades. Let me make sure my audio is set up properly, guys, and then we're just gonna go through it real quick.
About this now, we discussed this quite recently on the channel, how we're coming down to this super important macro trend line. If we do zoom out, you can basically see this has been in place since 2018. There's been many times where we've touched it, held it as support, or flipped it as resistance. And in this chart over here, you'll see why this is important.
So as you guys can see here, this is the Tether dominance chart that he's charting right now. Tether dominance makes a move down, Bitcoin moves up. Tether dominance moves down, Bitcoin moves up. Tether dominance moves down, Bitcoin moves up. And when the lead market mover starts to make a move to the upside, altcoins follow. Will we have an alt season this year? I wouldn't rule it out one bit, guys. I honestly wouldn't rule it out. But I still think this year may be more accumulation, but the accumulation will be in the trend of up and to the right. So maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months later, all the alts are at higher market caps, but nothing too crazy. And then maybe 2024, we have the huge explosion, right? Crow fam, Tonic fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support. You guys are the absolute best. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also become a channel member to support the channel for shout outs in my future videos. And it also helps so I could continuously make this content for you guys on the daily. Once again, thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.